So hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Now I am going to buy a table for studying, so I will show you which table I buy. This is the table I am buying. कितने फुट का है ये
3 फीट बाई 2 फीट है।
ठीक है। और वो वाला
2.5 फीट बाई 1.5 फीट।
ठीक है।
मिलता नहीं।
I have selected this table. So guys, now I will be sitting on the table. This is how the table looks. It's very low quality, cheap and very light. There is lot of stuff here. This is the bed. Guys, now they are putting the table in my car. कॉकरोच वाला छोटा वाला है क्या? लाल वाला, लाल एक छोटा छोटा वाला है, दिखाओ। I also bought this. So guys, now I am at my home and I bought this protein from Medical. This is Optimum Nutrition Gold Standard Whey Protein Double Rich Chocolate. I am drinking this since 3 years and taste is okay and I don't know about the absorption, if it absorbs or not. And the second thing I bought is this Rosemary Redensil hair serum. I don't know if it works or not, but I'm using it since almost a year now, but I haven't seen any results. Finally, I will be reviewing this if it works or not. So let's see. Guys, now I am seeing a fly over there. Now I will use this on it and see if it dies or not. There was some technical issues over here and I don't know if it died or not. Guys, the fly flew away and there is an ant over here, small ant. Now I'll see if it dies or not. I sprayed on it and it disappeared. It's here, see guys, it's struggling, it's dying. It's dead. So this works on ants. Now I will check if it works on cockroaches or not. The variegated mango plant which I was talking about. So the leaves, see the variegation on this. Now I will plant this in this pot. This is how the plant looks from inside the pot. Now I have to firstly put soil in the pot. Guys, this was the rock in it and it's of no use. So what should I do with it? Now guys, I will remove the grow bag. It's slightly root bound. As you can see the roots, black roots. I have to remove it carefully so the roots don't get damaged. Okay. So now it's free from the grow bag. Now I have to cover its sides with more soil and it's done. So guys, I bought more soil. This is the last jar of soil and it's done. There are so many big drops in it. Now I will water it for the first time. Once the water gets absorbed, I have to water it again. Guys, I think it's enough water. Now I will water few other plants which need water. It rained last night, so they don't need water, but I will sprinkle some in case they need. Now I will keep this in shade so it should survive the transplant shock. But firstly, I forgot one thing. The variegation is above the graft And from the bottom there is no variegation. The leaves are normal, so I have to remove it. Now it's done and dusted. Now we wait. So guys, that's it for the video. If you enjoyed this video, like the video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.